the Dt50mx rear swing arm bar, getting prepped for the first coat of for the first coat of primer, and my world is looking, my world it looks better in the photo than it does in real life. It's a bit of a, I didn't grind it down far enough. Maybe I should spend more time on that. Spending more of the time getting the paint out of these crevices, which I oh yeah, got that pretty clean actually. Yes. Anyway, getting it ready, prepping away. I sprayed this upside down so that when I turn it over, the top coat isn't going to run onto the top. My standard Yamaha Dt50mx pieces before steam cleaning. Just want to make a note of which way around the spring goes, although there is only one way around it can go. So there's a sort of sponge in my airbox, if you know what I mean, in my battery box, airbox combi. Various old paint job on the sump guard there. Oil box, can thing, looking lucky. See if I can get inside here and have a look at the poly filler, whatever it is, polycell paint remover. Working there on the frame. What a smell. Might need 2 coats. Clock mount. They can only be a DT50 yoke, top yoke. Look at the size of them, tiny. Okay, get you in focus now. So look, there should be 4 of these holding the mud guard on, front mud guard. Oops. A bit rusty. Yes. Anyway, and then it just lifts to reveal the bottom yoke underneath. So we need some more of these. Sorry, we need some more of those. Yeah, I hope I didn't do this. I don't think that's going to pass its MOT like that because it's obviously broken a bit off. So we're going to have to get a new brake hub cover. Yeah, just tapping off the old cone down here with the chisel. Get it in focus there. So just putting it under there and giving it a bang, really. Got a bit of air, got a bit of daylight through there now. Okay, just to let you know that the stuff looks exactly like urine. So badly, it looks like someone has peed in my bucket. They have not peed in my bucket. It's this stuff. Okay? But it looks like wee. Okay, got some rear brake components. Spindles for the front and the back. Front and the rear. Some some miscellaneous nuts and bolts too, ready for my evaporust.